अमेरिका के सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने व्हाइट हाउस में इसराइल के वजीर आजम बिन्यामिन नेतन्याहू के साथ मुश्तरका प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में कहा कि हम गजा के हवाले से माहदे के निहायत करीब हैं। उन्होंने बताया कि वो खुद एक नई बैनुल-अक़वामी अथॉरिटी के सरबराह होंगे जो गजा के इंतजामी मामलात पर नजर रखेगी। ट्रंप के मुताबिक वाशिंगटन का अमन मनसूबा गजा से इसराइली फौज के मरहलावार इनकलाब पर मुश्तमिल है।
A lot of our leaders are here, our great Vice President, Susie Wiles, Steve Witkoff, Jared Kushner. They've been so involved in this process. I don't think anybody else could have done it or even come close. But it's we're right there. We're right there. First time in thousands of years, I think you can probably say, if you really look into it, if you study back, if you're a scholar, you would say thousands of years. Israel would have my full backing to finish the job of destroying the threat of Hamas, but I hope that we're going to have a deal for peace. And if Hamas rejects the deal, which is always possible, they're the only one left. Everyone else has accepted it. But I have a feeling that we're going to have a positive answer. But if not, as you know, Bibi, you'd have our full backing to do what you would have to do.